Hey everyone and welcome! Today we're going to jump right into a super powerful data tool that lets you do amazing things without writing a single line of code. We're talking about KNIME.
So, let me ask you, have you ever wanted to build these really powerful, insightful data workflows, but the whole idea of coding just, isn't for you? Maybe it seems too complicated, or you just don't have the time.
Well, you are in exactly the right place. Think of this explainer from Assignment on Click as your personal tour guide. We're going to get you totally comfortable with the KNIME interface, so you can feel confident and start building stuff right away.
Okay, so what is KNIME anyway? The official name is the Constance Information Miner, but you don't really need to remember that. What you do need to know is that it's this awesome, completely open source platform. It lets you do pretty much everything: data analytics, reporting, integration, all with a visual drag-and-drop system. Seriously, no code.
So, here's the plan. In the next few minutes, we're basically going to take a quick tour through the 4 main areas you have to know to get started. By the end of this, you'll know exactly where everything is and how to start building your very first workflow.
All right, first stop on our tour, this is the heart and soul of KNIME. I like to think of it as your visual workflow canvas. This is seriously where all the magic happens.
And the way it works, it's almost ridiculously simple. You find a little tool, they call them nodes, that does what you need. You literally just drag it from your toolbox, drop it onto this big canvas, and then you connect it to other nodes. That's it. Drag, drop, connect. That is the fundamental process for everything you're going to build.
But, this canvas is way more than just a blank space. Those lines connecting the nodes, that's your data, flowing from one step to the next. You can also drop in little notes and comments to remind yourself what you were thinking, which is a lifesaver for you and your team. And maybe the best part? You can get these interactive views to actually see your data at any stage. It's perfect for making sure everything looks right.
Okay, so where do all these amazing little tools, these nodes, actually come from? That brings us to our second key area, your data analysis toolbox. In KNIME, this is called the node repository.
And really, thinking of it as a toolbox is the perfect analogy. It is packed with a huge collection of nodes that are ready to go. We're talking about tools for everything, from basic data cleaning all the way up to complex machine learning. Finding what you need is super easy too. If you know exactly what you're looking for, like, say, a CSV reader, you just type it into the search bar. Boom. But if you're not sure, or you just want to see what's out there, you can browse through all the categories. Honestly, it's a fantastic way to discover cool new things you can do. And you can totally customize this toolbox to make it your own. Got a few nodes you use all the time? Just mark them as favorites, so they're always right there. And if you need to do something really specific, you can install extensions and plugins to add even more specialized tools to your collection. Okay, so you've dragged some nodes, you've connected them, you've built a workflow. But how do you know if it's actually working? That's where our third stop comes in: monitoring your data's journey. And for that, we're going to look at the console and the data preview. Think of the console as your command center for messages. It'll give you 3 kinds of feedback. Info messages are basically a green light, just letting you know everything ran fine. Warnings are like a yellow light, a heads up that there might be an issue, like some missing data, but it didn't stop the whole process. And then you've got errors. Those are the red lights. They mean something broke, and the workflow has stopped, telling you exactly where to go look.
Now, right alongside the console, you have the data preview. This thing is so incredibly useful. It lets you peek at your actual data at any step in the process. It's the absolute best way to make sure your workflow is doing what you think it's doing.
But, okay, that sounds great, but how do you actually do that? How do you look inside one of those nodes to see the output?
You're going to love this. It's so simple. All you do is right-click on a node that's already run its course, and you'll see a bunch of options to view the data output. That's it. A couple of clicks, and boom, you can see your results instantly.
All right, we are on the home stretch now. Our last big stop on this tour is all about moving around the KNIME workspace efficiently, navigating it like a total pro.
And KNIME has some great features to help you do just that. There's the Workflow Navigator, which gives you this nice overview of all your different projects. When your workflows get big and complicated, you can easily zoom in and pan around to focus on one specific part. And my personal favorite feature? The history and undo function. It's a total lifesaver, so you can experiment and never worry about messing things up permanently. And let me give you a quick pro tip here. This will save you so much time later. From the very beginning, try to organize your work into logical groups and folders.
Seriously, a clean workspace is a happy workspace, and you'll thank yourself later when your projects start getting bigger.
And that's our tour. By getting a handle on these key pieces, the canvas, the node repository, the console, and the navigation tools, you honestly have everything you need to start tapping into the full potential of KNIME.
And just remember, no matter if you're just getting started or you're ready to tackle something really advanced, Assignment on Click is here to help you build, test, and deploy workflows that pull out those real, valuable insights hiding in your data.
So I'll leave you with this one question. You've seen the layout, you know where the toolbox is, you get the basic idea. So, what